Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a demo on the Orange Cupcake Bath Bomb by Bird Bath & Body. This bath bomb is scented in Orange Dream Cupcake, and so now without further ado, I'm just going to lower this little guy right down on into the water. this bath bomb today. So this is just tiny little core of the bath bomb kind of left in the bottom. So I am just going to try my best to crush this up. I love when it crumbles nice and easy like that. This is, I've said this before, but this is one of my favorite parts about a bath bomb, just kind of crushing up the last little bits at the end there. It just looks so pretty and it's so satisfying. And well, it also smells absolutely incredible in here. And so anyway, guys, if you are enjoying my content, please do remember to subscribe if you haven't already. While you're there, why not click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.